Hi everyone. So let me tell you the rules of the double RSI strategy once again. Here I'm showing you Nifty chart on a 5-minute time frame, and I have added both the RSIs. So let me give you the settings. The first RSI is the normal RSI with the RSI 14 as the parameter, and this is on the 5-minute time frame. And in this, the upper band and the lower band I've kept it as 1730. So I will be using this to take the trade. And now the double RSI, the second RSI, this is the setting. In this, I'm using again RSI 14, but the big difference is that I'm using the time frame as 1 hour. That means the RSI here is calculating on 1 hour time frame. And in this, my upper and lower band is still 50 because I only require the 50 line. So essentially what I'm trying to do here is whenever the RSI on the 60-minute time frame is above the 50 line, that means it's a bullish trend on an hourly time frame, and I will only be looking for bullish trades. And once the RSI 60 comes below the 59, I will only be taking the bearish trades. So this will give me the initial direction of the market of that particular stock. But now comes the second part. So once I've got the direction, when do I take the trade? So in case the RSI 60 is above 50, that means I'm looking to take buying trades. Then I will only take the trade once the RSI 14 on the normal time frame comes below 30, and that is why I'm going to take the entry. On the other hand, let's say if my RSI 60 is below 50, that means we are in the bearish phase right now. That means I will wait for RSI 14 on the normal time frame to become above 17, then I will take the selling trade. So let's take some examples. If you see here, at this point, the value of RSI on a 60-minute interval time frame is more than 50. So I can only take selling trades. I can only take buying trades because the market is bullish right now. But if you see here, the RSI 14 on the current time frame is giving me the value to be above 70. So now this is the other way around, right? I cannot take this trade. So I will not be taking the selling trade here. Even though if you look from just the RSI concept, we would have taken the selling trade here. But because of the double RSI, I will skip this trade. So I will not sell it here. And you can see that it's a good decision because I would have ended up having a loss because the market kept on going up actually. So I would skip the trade. So I will not be taking this trade. Let's see if we get any other trade. Till the RSI on 60 is above 50, I will only buy in case the RSI on the normal time frame comes below 30. So let's see. This is where it happens. If you see here, this now RSI on the normal time frame is below 30, and at the same time RSI 60 is above 50. That means this is also giving me a bullish entry. This is also giving me a bullish entry. So both the RSI giving me the bullish entry. I will take that buying here. So I will buy somewhere here and I will exit somewhere here. So that's a good trade and it's a profitable trade. Again, you will notice that we will have to skip this trade. So we will be skipping this trade. Why? Because at this point of time the RSI is above 50. So I will be skipping this trade also. Let's see. Okay, now you'll notice one more thing, that now the RSI on the 60-minute has come below 50. So I can only take bearish trades. But as soon it becomes less than 50, this is also giving me a bullish trade now. So I will not buy it. Because since I am in a bearish direction, and you can see the market actually kept going down. So it's good that we skip the trade. So we will be skipping this trade as well. Let's see if we get any other entries. We will again be skipping this trade because RSI on a 60-minute time frame is below 50. So I can only go for selling trades. This is giving me a buying. So I will be skipping this trade, and you can see the market still went down. So if we would have bought it, our stop loss would have got hit. This is where we get an entry. Now. You can see the RSI on the 60-minute is below 50. That means I'm looking for a bearish trades. And at this point of time, it goes above 70. So I can sell here, and clearly it gave me good profit, very quick and very good profit. So this is how I will be trading this strategy. So essentially I'm looking for the trend or the direction from the RSI 60. And once I get the clear direction, I will be taking that direction trade only, but I will be taking the entry based on the current time frame RSI. Let me give you one more example on HCL Tech. I've done the same settings here also. So again, we can see here that the RSI value is the RSI 60 is already above 50, so I can only go for bullish trades now. Even though the value of RSI on the current time frame is above 70, I will not be going for the selling trade, and it's a good decision. You can see the market was very flat. Again, I will be skipping this trade. Again, it's a good decision. The market was flat, but this is where I get an entry. If you see here, my RSI on the 60 minutes is above the 50 line, but at the same time the RSI on the normal candle on the 5 minutes is below the 30, so it's giving me a perfect entry. I can buy here, and it's a good buying. I will exit somewhere here once it becomes more than 70. So you will see that once you start trading this strategy, a lot of extra trades, which are generally the loss making trades, will get removed, and we will be left with only the profitable trades most of the time. So it's a good strategy. You can try it out.